All right, this is the Songbird Rebuilt Sewer. So, got these pants here, and they're too big. They're way too huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open them up. They're also thick, so they won't be ready to wear until the winter time. As you can see, these are pants. I'm going to open them up. They got pockets on them too. Isn't that sweet? Okay. I'm going to open these legs up, and I'm going to make them this this pair of pants, this one pair of pants, into a skirt and a vest. So we're going to see how that turns out. And I'll figure out where I'm going to place the pockets or whatever. I guess I'll keep them on the skirt. I think I prefer the pockets to be like in the middle of the skirt or at the bottom. I don't know. We'll see in a minute, because we have this elastic here and this pull string for it. I'll leave that there. And just open up these legs. I'm going to use my scissors. And I'm going to use my little sewing kit here with all my nice little pins, safety pins, and my measuring tape. Of course, I need that measuring tape. And we're going to see what's going to happen. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to measure around my waist and my thighs and my hips. And I'm going to open up these pants legs with these scissors and pin it together at the length that I like. I like long skirts, preferably. I like skirts that come down to my calf, like the bottom of my calf or my ankles. My mom got me used to that when I was younger. I used to hate it, but now I just really love it. So I'm going to get started on this, and this is part 1 on how to make a skirt out of a pair of pants that are too big. Peace, love, and light.